SAP Extended Warehouse Management, optimizing wave processing. This demonstration shows how SAP Extended Warehouse Management allows you to create a wave, check resource requirements, release a wave, confirm the warehouse order, and post goods issue, enabling you to control outbound processes, create manageable sets of warehouse activities across deliveries, and more closely integrate planning and execution. Create a wave. Ken Anderson is a warehouse planner. He wants to optimize delivery processes by grouping outbound items into a wave. SAP Extended Warehouse Management makes the task easy. The software can create waves automatically based on wave templates. In this case, Ken wants to create the wave manually. He uses the advanced search feature to assign delivery items to the wave. Next, he enters the warehouse request numbers. With just a few clicks, he can display all the details of the warehouse requests. The items are now assigned to the wave. If he wants, Ken can release the wave now. Instead, he decides to save the wave and release it later from the warehouse monitor. Check resource requirements. Now Ken wants to check the resources required to process the wave. He starts by using the advanced search feature. He enters the activity and the kind of documents or object types he's interested in. He then selects his planning goal. Finally, he checks the planning goal calculation. In this case, for every 100 kilograms of weight, Ken needs another warehouse worker. He can now see that he needs 2.5 workers for this wave. SAP Extended Warehouse Management gives Ken the information he needs for effective warehouse planning. Release a wave. Ken is now ready to release the wave by using the warehouse monitor. The software can release waves automatically. In this case, Ken wants to release the wave manually. If he wanted to, Ken could release the wave but not allow work to start. This would enable him to simulate the wave for planning purposes. Instead, Ken simply releases the wave. The software confirms that the wave was released. Ken can easily see which tasks are associated with the wave. Confirm the warehouse order. Martin Schumann is a forklift operator. He uses a handheld device to confirm the warehouse order in the wave just released by Ken. The software guides him through the process. It also automatically places the right orders in his queue. Martin creates a container to pick into. He then scans the storage bin and product number. When he picks the second item, he's alerted that the bin is empty. He confirms that the stock level is now 0. The software then instructs Martin where to deliver the order. Finally, Martin scans the delivery zone and confirms that the task is complete. Post goods issue. Ken Anderson, the warehouse planner, wants to confirm that the wave has been completed and the items have been shipped. He enters a document range to find the outbound delivery order. He can see that picking and packing are complete, but that goods issue hasn't started. With just a few clicks, Ken can complete the goods issue. The software automatically confirms with the ERP system that goods have been taken out of stock and shipped to the customer. SAP Extended Warehouse Management gives you the tools you need to control outbound processes, create manageable sets of warehouse activities across deliveries, and more closely integrate planning and execution.